In today's lesson, we'll explore Excel 2019, unlocking the magic of formulas and functions. Formulas are instructions created by users to carry out arithmetic operations, whereas functions are built-in, ready-to-use formulas provided by Excel. In this chapter, you will explore the fundamentals of using formulas and functions and understand how they help perform various calculations and tasks efficiently in different situations. Working with formulas. Formulas in Excel are used to perform mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. A formula is an expression that may include numbers, cell references, arithmetic symbols, and parentheses. You can use formulas for both basic and advanced calculations. Every formula must begin with an equal sign, followed by the necessary cell addresses and operators. Key components of a formula: references, cells or groups of cells used for calculations; operators, symbols such as plus, minus, asterisk, slash, pound sign, percent, etc. that define the operation; constants, fixed values like numbers or text that do not change; and functions, built-in formulas that perform specific tasks automatically. Components example is equals A2 plus B2 times 5 minus sum of E3 to E5. Using a basic formula. A basic formula uses only one type of operator, such as addition, plus. For example, to calculate total sales from January to June and display the result in cell B12, follow these steps. Steps to enter a basic formula. Click on cell B12. This is where the total will be displayed. Type the equals sign. Click on cell B5. A moving dashed border or marquee will appear. Type the plus sign, click on cell B6, then type another plus sign. Repeat this for cells B7, B8, B9, and B10. Alternatively, type the full formula directly. Equals B5 plus B6 plus B7 plus B8 plus B9 plus B10. You'll notice colorful borders around the selected cells. This helps identify them. Press Enter. The total will now appear in cell B12. Using a compound formula. A compound formula involves more than one operator, such as multiplication and division. Let's calculate simple interest using the formula simple interest equals P times R times T divided by 100, where P is the principal, R is the rate of interest, T is the time in years. Steps to enter a compound formula. Click on cell B6. This is where the result will appear. Type the equals sign. Enter the formula. Equals, parentheses, B2 times B3 times B4, parentheses, divided by 100. Press Enter. The calculated simple interest will now appear in cell B6. That's how easily Excel handles complex calculations. Using formulas text. In Excel, the plus sign is used to add numbers, but to combine text, we use the ampersand operator. This process is called concatenation. Example, in cell A2, type moon. In cell B2, type light. Click on cell C2 and type equals moon and light. Press Enter. The result will be moonlight. You can also use cell references, equals A2 and B2. Types of cell references in Excel. When using formulas, Excel allows 3 types of cell references. 1. Relative reference. Changes automatically when copied. Example, equals A2 plus B2. Copy it to C3, it becomes equals A3 plus B3. 2. Absolute reference. Remains fixed using dollar signs. Equals A2 times $B2. Even when copied, $B2 stays the same. 3. Mixed reference. Locks either the column or the row. $A1, column fixed, $1, row fixed. Renaming a worksheet. By default, worksheets are named Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and so on. Renaming them makes your workbook easier to manage. Steps to rename a sheet. Double-click the Sheet tab, type the new name, press Enter. Alternative method is right-click the Sheet tab, click Rename, type the name, press Enter. Changing the color of a sheet tab. Changing tab colors helps you organize related sheets visually. Steps are right-click the Sheet tab, click Tab Color, choose a color. Active sheets show the color as an underline, while inactive sheets appear fully colored. Understanding functions in Excel. Functions are predefined formulas that help perform calculations quickly and accurately. They reduce errors and save time. Rules for using functions. Begin with an equal sign, use a valid function name, include parentheses, place arguments inside parentheses. Common Excel functions: sum C4 to D4, average C4 to D4, min of E4 to E11, max of E4 to E11. Working with dates. The today function displays the current date. Examples: today brings up the current date, month of today brings up the current month, and text of today to MMMM brings up the month name. Function library in Excel. Excel's function library, found under the Formulas tab, groups functions into categories such as math and trig, text, date and time, logical, and statistical. This makes finding functions easy and fast. Using insert function. The insert function option helps you choose a function even if you don't remember its name. It guides you step by step, making it perfect for beginners. Understanding formula errors. When a formula is entered incorrectly, Excel displays an error message instead of a result. These messages help identify what went wrong and how to fix it. And that brings us to the end of today's lesson. Great work, everyone!